Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Audi TT Coupe Black Edition S-Tronic finished in the modern Daytona Grey Pearlescent paintwork. This 2022 model comes with a powerful 40 TFSI engine that can reach a 0 to 62 in just 6.6 seconds. It also has automatic transmission, which is ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking LED headlights for great visibility, large 20-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, a fixed rear spoiler for that extra sporty look, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and TT badging, in addition to a stylish TT petrol cap and blacked out Audi rings from the Black Edition spec to give that dramatic look, and this is all topped off with rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 305 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip away. Inside, you'll be greeted with the front door sill trims with the S logo for that luxurious touch. Moving into the rear, you'll find a part leather trim for that premium look and feel. The front houses the multifunctional flat bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard and S-embossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data and audio and telephone connection. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. From the MMI controller, you can also access similar options which are displayed on the cockpit, including various radio and media connection and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you. You can also view Driver Assist, which features speed warnings, parking aid, and a rain sensor that you can toggle. Moving across, the climate control offers an evenly distributed temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a central cup holder, a gear shifter, a central armrest that reveals the hidden compartment with an additional cup holder, and a phone box with 2 additional USB charging ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.